What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change your delivery address in BiteSight. So let's try to see if we can make an order because that's how you get to change your delivery address. We're going to tap on add to cart for this meal before us, and of course you can see the meal there, sandwich, and of course you could choose an option. We're going to choose the pork sandwich, and of course we have that. We're going to say add to order, then tap on view cart at the bottom of your page, then select go to checkout. Now in the checkout, this is where you can actually change your delivery address. You can see delivery details and you can see the location, building details, handed to me option, and phone number. So all you need to do is to tap on Washington Square Park because that's the original address, and then search for your location by tapping on the search field, putting in your location, and then that's how you get to change it. Of course, if you have your building details, if you're living in an apartment building, you can tap on building details, put in the details, and tap on save. This will change your delivery address according to your preference. After all of this is done, you will be automatically allowed to go to the next stage to complete your checkout. So this is how to change your delivery address in BiteSight.